Alright, so I have these two questions here. It's a function. It says f of x is 4x plus 6. G of x is x squared plus 1. Now, how are we going to find the g inverse, the inverse of g? How are we also going to find f of g of 2? So, what we need to understand from here is that the inverse of g, we get this function of g. While there is g of x, we put y. That's the first step. So you say y is equal to x squared plus 1. Step 2 is that you swap. Where there's x, you put y. Where there's y, you put x. So where there's y, I put x. Where there's x, I put y. Like that. Then my job is to make y the subject of the formula. So I'll take x1 the other side, becomes negative 1, got y squared. I'll find the square root of that and the square root of that to give me y is equal to root of x plus 1. Therefore, the inverse of g, last step is that you just replace here with this and leave it in a square root form. That. We know that, of course, this is a plus or minus, but we don't need that. Okay. So this is how we find. Then question part 2 says f of g of 2. F of g of 2 means you first have to find this part here. Then you come to this part here. So let's first find f of g. F of g means f, while there is x in f, you put the function of g. So f is this. Put it here, write it here, x plus 6. While there's x, we put g. This is what it means. While there's x in f, we put g plus 6. So you have, just like, you can leave it like that. Now, because they are saying of 2. Now, while there's x, we put 2 now. This will be 4. 2 squared plus 1 plus 6. So be 4. 4 plus 1 plus 6. So be 4. 5 plus 6. Body mass 20 plus 6. So f of g of t is equal to 26. That's how you do.